Hello amazing people. Oh yes, so this is another topic on the board. Angles. Yes, angles part 1. Yes, by God's grace I'll try as much as possible to make more videos on angles. So I'm taking it step by step. I don't want to rush it, so I don't just want to pick any question and just solve it like that. If you don't have the understanding of the basic in angles, you'll be confused. So that's why I need to start like this. Yes, I don't like it when I make a video and students don't understand. So now that's why I'm using this method. So now we're going to start with this. I'll be solving questions specifically on these two. Okay. So now the first one said sum of angles in a straight line. Sum of angles in a straight line. That's the first one. Okay. And the sum of angles in a straight line is equals to 180 degrees. Look at this. Look at this. It's in a straight line. It's in a straight line. So now we have A plus B plus C equals to 180. Okay. F plus E plus D equals to 180. A plus F plus E equals to 180. You discover it's not going round. We're not picking it like this. Either we pick it like this or like this. So it's not round. So it's on a straight line. Okay. Now A plus F plus E. A plus F plus E. B plus C plus D equals to 180. That's what's the one on a straight line. On a straight line. Sum of angles at a point. Sum of angles, this is a point, okay? Sum of angles at a point. Get it now? This one is here from the first one, and so it will be A plus B plus C plus D equals to 360. Everything here. Angles at everything. Are going to add up everything at that point, and that makes it what? Sum of angles at a point, and it's equals to what? 360. Good. So now this is an echo question. You can find this as well as a jump question, as a right question. Okay, so now let's solve this question using this rule, sum of angles in a straight line. So let's do that. So from the diagram below, B equals to half D, C equals to 1 over 3A, and D equals to 32. Find the angle marked A. This is what we're looking for. So now, first, okay, let's quickly make do with this. Let's get the values first, so we can impute it here. So now the first one is B equals to half D. Okay, B equals to half D, so we cross multiply. That is 2B equals to D. What is our D? D is 32. So we're going to substitute this 32 here. So that will be 2B equals to 32. So let's divide both sides by 2. So B is what? 16. Our B is 16. Okay, our D is 32. So now let's get other values now. So we are going to use C equals to 1 over 3A. Let's multiply. That is 3C equals to A. Okay, so this is our A. A equals to what? 3C. Do you get it now? So now let's impute the values here. All these things, we want to impute it here now. So let's do that. So we're going to draw another diagram. So we're going to be having this and this. What is our A? Is 3C. What is our B? 16. Our C is still 6C. And our D is what? 32. Okay. So now from here, I told you that to be what? This is what? An angle on what? On a straight line. So what are you going to do? Add up everything. And what equals to 180. This is an angle what? In a straight line. So that will be 3C plus 16 plus C plus 32 equals to 180. So now let's add up. Let's collect like terms now. So that will be 3C plus C plus 16 plus 32 is 48 equals to 180. So that will be 4C plus 48 equals to 180. So 4C equals to 180. So this one will move to the other side. The sign will turn to minus. So 4C equals to this 132. Divide both sides by 4. So our C equals to times 3, that will be 33. Our C equals to 33. So but we have to look for the what? A. So what is our A? Our A is what? 3C. So what are we going to do? Substitute this what? 33 for C. here. So A equals to 3 times 33. It's as simple as that. So main thing about angles is that you must know the rule. Once you know the rule, you can solve any question on it. So now we're trying another question that is relating to angles at a point. So let's do that. Alright, now I promised to solve a question relating to sum of angles at a point. So here is the question. Let's dig it. Alright, now they said in the diagram, angle PTQ, angle PTQ, PTQ equals to x degree, angle QTR, 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 okay, something like this. You get an angle QTR is what? Is twice as big as angle PTQ. So what we are going to do is we are going to we draw this diagram. You get it now? And we are going to follow this instruction. So let's do that now. So now I'm going to redraw this diagram. Don't mind my drawing. So this is our x, this is our r, okay. X degrees, the P and the Q. And this is our T. Now, they said angle QTR is twice as big as angle PTQ. So let's say QTR is twice. Let's say our QTR. This is QTR. So it's pointing towards the side. Q, so it's here now. Is what? Twice. That will be 2x. Okay, so that's 2x. Okay. So they said angle RTS is 3 times as big as angle PTQ. RTS is 3 times. RTX. So it's this side now. Is what? Is 3 times. That will be 3x. Now, and the last one is angle PTS is 4 times. Angle PTS. Angle PTS is 4 times. So this is it. 4x. The t is still there, so I just squeeze it a little. So now look at this very well. It's looking like what? This is sum of angles at a point. Sum of angles at a point. You get it now? There's no straight line. This is sum of angles at a point. Even if there's straight line, just you have to go round. Okay, so now let's now solve this question. So we have to find RTX, which is this 3x. So this 3x is what we are looking for. So what are you going to do? We are going to use the sum of angles at the point. Everything will be added together equals to 360. So let's do that now. So we now have 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus x equals to 360. Sum of angles. You can always specify, if you are writing exams that are related to theory, always specify at a point. So now let's add up. So now with 2x, this is 5x, 9x, 10x. So 10x equals to 360. So let's divide both sides by 10. So x equals to 36. We have to find angle RTS, which is what? 3x. So what are you going to do? You substitute 36 for x in this equation. That will be 336. So our answer is 108 degrees. Alright, so by God's grace, we're going to continue from here. So this time around, we'll be doing another thing entirely. Okay, so now that's what I'm trying to do so that you can understand it step by step. If you still don't understand it, do well to use the comment section below and ask your question. Okay, or you can DM us and we're going to reply you. Okay, alright, thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you so much. God bless you.